Every child deserves the chance to grow, in every sense of the word. Hough Garden Club serves more than 150 kids, including students with sensory and learning challenges. They experience healing and connection through hands-on learning in nature and the sciences. This program is established in a neighborhood that's burdened with socioeconomic challenges. But we're planting in these kids the seeds of hope for a better tomorrow. A trained horticultural therapist walks participants through a safe space of emotional regulation, STEM engagement, and inclusive education. Students also have the opportunity to experience how gardening can grow healthier communities, healthier bodies, and provide for families. This grant would allow us to expand our reach by adding adaptive tools, sensory supports, and additional garden time for every student. Won't you stand with us as we grow brighter futures rooted in connection?